All right, so wanted to hit record on this. All right, so 2.4, going to look at number 9. Now I have to first write down all the information given. So we have 3 sets that we're dealing with, and it says the number of elements in A, the cardinality of A is 17. Cardinality of A intersect B intersect C is given to be 7. Cardinality of A intersect C is 14. Cardinality of A intersect B complement is 9. Cardinality of B intersect C is 12. Cardinality of A complement intersected B complement intersected C complement is 19. Cardinality of B intersect C complement is 4. And cardinality of B union C is 36. All right. And you're given a Venn diagram in the problem with blank fields in each region to fill in. So, but to work the problem, you're going to want to sketch your own Venn diagram, work this out first, and then put the numbers in after you've finished. So 3 set Venn diagram. All right. And so we'll proceed. Now, always start here. That is where all 3 sets overlap. And so when I go over to the information, that's right here where it says the number of elements that are in A and B and C. A intersect B intersect C. That's this region right here. And it says it is 7. So I place a 7 there. Let's put a little check mark. I've used that. So from there, I'll kind of spiral my way out. I'll go to the regions where 2 of the 3 are overlapping. So when I look at this one right here, right below the one I just used, it says the number of elements in A intersects C. So A intersects C is right here. It's all of this. That's where those 2 circles overlap. And this is where you start to separate out the information. It says it's 14, but you've already in that region, you've already counted 7. So how many more do I need for my total of 14? I need 7. We good there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll go to this one, B intersects C. It's 12. That's here. So I've counted 7 already. So I would need 5 more. And I've got that. Okay. So let's see what else we could do. A intersect B complement. So what I want to figure out is what regions comprise A intersect B complement. Now that would be A, so you got to be an A, overlapping with when you see B complement, that's outside of B. So that's these 2 regions. That's where outside of B overlaps with A. All right, now it says it's 9. So again, that's these 2 regions, which means you've already counted 7 of them. You would need 2 more to get your total of 9. And I've got that one. And I'll jump back up here. It says a number of elements that is in A in its entirety is 17. A is made up of 4 regions, here, 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 and here. So I know 3 of the 4, so I can add up 14 plus 2 is 16. And since that has to add up to be a total of 17, I would need one more there. I'll go to this one. B intersect C complement. Now that's in B outside of C, so that's these two regions. It says it has to be 4. So I've got 1 already. So I'll put 3 in, and now I've got my total of 4. All right. Now this one's the easy. It's I could have done it at any time. This is A complement intersect B complement intersect C complement. That's outside of all 3. So that's 19 there. And then finally, I've got B union C. Now, that is, if you were just to shade B union C, you would shade all of B and all of C. So either we're in C or we're just in B, or we could be in both. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 regions, which have to add up to be 36. So I'll add up what I do have. That's 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 7 more would be 23, and 36 minus 23 would be 13. And so that would be what I would need to get my total of 36. And from there, it's just go to my math lab and punch the numbers in each field.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Another question? Okay. So let me go ahead, do this now. Today is the 20th. So I'm putting a due date of the 25th. You have 2 attempts on the exam. And it is now assigned on exam 2. If you are amongst the folks who have not emailed me a list of names, you can do that. If you want to wait till Monday, if you know you're coming to class, you could see me, right after class and take care of it there as well. So either way will work. So I'm just simply going to say your assignment now is to finish up any work you need to do in chapter 2 and take the test prior to class on Monday. So on Monday, I'll come into class. I'm not going to take up more questions on chapter 2. If you do have questions, I'll be more than happy to make time after class to do that. I will be starting just straight into numeration and number theory. In particular, we're going to start with numeration. Number theory will be afterwards. But we will start that on first thing on Monday in class. So if you do intend on working staying virtual, I would appreciate if you just shoot me an email and let me know that, so I kind of have an idea of who is doing that. And again, I will record Monday's lecture from the classroom at the least. If I can make it live, I will certainly do that and let you know and how we'll proceed with that if I'm able to do that. So if you're good to go, you may leave. And then if you want to stay and ask questions, absolutely do that as well. So otherwise, adios.